Hey beauties, Andrea. So yes, I cut my hair once again. It's down to my armpits because my hair is very sensitive to color and I don't know what else to do to change up my look for the summer. So cutting is the way to go for me, and it's probably gonna go shorter. So this video is gonna be a little different from the usual videos that I make. I am going to be trying a CutiePieTresses curly ponytail. Yes, as a rookie, I am going to see how easy it is to just apply a ponytail when I don't have time to do my hair and I just want to braid it up like this, okay? My challenge is I do have long hair, so it's me trying to hide this and apply the ponytail properly while using one of their videos to, you know, guide me through. So this is how the ponytail comes packaged. Very simple, very pretty, as you can see. And it comes, of course, with instructions on how to care for the hair. This is what the hair looks like, very realistic. This is texture 3B. Come with the drawstring ponytail. The drawstring can get it tight, and it has a clip at the top, form of a cup. Very self-explanatory, as if you are attaching it onto a bun of your own, right? It is 100% virgin Remy hair, so it can be washed, conditioned. You can do any form of heatless styles, and you can also straighten it and bleach it. On the website, you can see the difference in length as far as when it's curly and when it's straight. Mine that I have right here is a 18-inch curly ponytail. Of course, they have other lengths. Looking very realistic. That's why I picked this one, because it's very close to my hair texture. It does not look like one of those hairs you buy that's supposedly curly and it comes looking wavy. This is really curly hair, as it states. That's a big thing that I noticed about their hair. And of course, CutiePieTresses also has other hairs available other than ponytails, such as clip-in extensions and weaves. I'm gonna put this bad boy into a little bun. So this is gonna be under on my ponytail when I put it on, and I'm gonna clip this right at the top. Okay, let's try this. So I turned this in and out, inside out, clipped it right at the top of the bun. Now I'm gonna cover my bun with the hair. It tightened by pulling onto the strings. The whole side is turned. Oh my, no way. Are you serious right now? That's it? And you can see the strings. What do I do with the strings? Do I like kind of roll it around? Like, what do I do? Can I cut it? Because I feel like these strings are long enough for me to cut. So I did cut a little bit of the string, all right? Can't believe how easy this was for me. It's my first time ever applying a ponytail to my head. Did I do it properly? This seems way too easy. Hold on, let's play that again. Yeah, she did it in like less than a minute video. So why do I feel like this feels very attached? Like, so it's that easy, huh? It's that easy to just get out of the house, right? This, the thing that's scary, it's like, feels like my hair. That's the scariest part. Like, it doesn't feel like I have fake hair in. Like, even me, I'm gonna probably trick myself with this. Covers the bun really well, all the way, because like I said, it does stretch a lot. Once you get it tightened, it really stays. Especially if you have a bigger bun, it really stays well. I just can't believe how easy this was. I like it. I actually like it. I didn't know it was going to be this easy. Thank you, CutiePieTresses, for making this very easy to apply. Alright? Easy to apply. Like I said, this is true 3B hair. I don't feel like it's about to wave up on me later or anything like that. Look at it. I just put some product at the end. Look. Look how realistic and pretty. Wow. I'm very impressed, alright? Especially as someone that's not really used to this type of thing. I am very, well, impressed. I do have a discount code right here. You can check it out and you can purchase if you are interested. Hey guys, so if you're interested in weaves, clip-in extensions, and of course ponytails that are very easy to apply even for a rookie, make sure you check out CutiePieTresses down below in the description box. Thank you guys. Bye.